back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine. So in this video, we're going to talk about how we can code consistently without and how can we beat procrastination without delaying our work on tomorrow. So please watch the video till the end because in this video, I'm going to give you 3 very important tips that can help you achieve this consistency. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first tip I have is, first of all, set a goal for yourself. It should be like more specific, like you want to get a job in a startup company or in a product based company or in which company or a specific company. Maybe it could be Google, it could be Microsoft, it could be Apple, it could be any company. So first of all, set a focus, set a goal, and then research about that. So for example, your dream company is Google. So research about all those people who have cracked that job at Google. You can watch YouTube videos, you can read blogs, you can follow the LinkedIn profiles and all of that. And you can see what path did they follow. Once you will see what all coding practices they took, you can also take those practices or you can make your own coding practices. But that will give you motivation that these people did this, so I'll also do that. And you will also get inspiration from them. The second thing is, once your goal is decided, you have a big task in front of you that I have to do maybe 400 to 500 questions on lead code, for example. So your mind will never allow you to do such a big work. You will be like lazy and that I'll do tomorrow and tomorrow. But what you can do is you can break that big work into smaller parts. For example, you can just say that this week I'll finish arrays or I'll do 10 questions on arrays, and on the next week I'll do questions on linked list. So that way you are dividing your work into smaller parts, and smaller, if your brain sees that it is a smaller work, then it will help you achieve it as fast as possible. And the rest of the time you have, you can just enjoy that. I am the one, the way your son don't need that will also act as a reward system. The third and the most important tip is you can challenge your brain. There are various challenges which you can take. For example, I also took one which is 100 days of coding challenge, and there are many other challenges also like that. In that you can set a category. For example, you can say that I'll code daily for 2 to 3 hours. Or you can also set that I'll do 5 questions daily. So whatever criteria suits you, you can set that. And then once the day is over and you have coded, you can post all those questions which you have coded on your Instagram profile. That will help you increase your engagement and help people notice you. So recruiters can also notice that you are doing questions. Your connections can also notice that you are doing questions. And in case any opportunity pops up, the chances increase that they are going to contact you. Plus, once you start posting, you have to post it. So you can't skip a day. So these challenges help your brain to race up, and then you can code daily and in a more effective way. So this was it for today. Thank you so much, guys. I really hope that this will help you. And if you have any suggestions or any topic on which you want me to make a video, you can comment that also below. Thank you, guys.